Hello, good evening, and welcome back. So, we are supposed to leave at 10 o'clock. Our flight was at 12, but then it got delayed by an hour. So, we had just come on the terrace. My parents had come in the morning. So, class में सब हो गया. We have a holiday tomorrow due to Muharram. So, we are finally leaving. चल bro मिलते. चल bro. Take care. Bye bye. बोल.
हैप्पी जर्नी ब्रो.
Thank you.
मजा करो.
Yes. अटका था क्या? Thank you.
नेक्स्ट मेरा क्या 0.5 मेरा किसी
0.5. चलो.
0.5
बड़ा है.
लो है तो ये तो कॉल कर देगा.
दर्शा चल ठीक है. बाय बाय.
हैप्पी जर्नी.
थैंक यू. चल तुझे मिला.
हैप्पी जर्नी.
चल
बाय ब्रो.
हैप्पी जर्नी.
चलो
बाय बाय.
बाय
थैंक यू
बाय बाय.
So we have finally reached one of my favorite airports. Look at that. Wow.
पिन कार्ड.
एक सेकंड राह. सगळ्यांचे दिले तिकीटचं काढ पण तुझ्याकडे आहे ना. होय रे. मेल केली दुकान
अरे ते
माहीर आणि किती काढलं तुका तिकीट्स मेल केले.
पण पहिल्यांदा दवरला.
So like I said, our flight has been delayed. So you can see, wait, it was supposed to be at 2:30, and then you can see in the first line, fourth wala, Batik Air delayed Kuala Lumpur. So we have around 3 hours with us. So deciding what to do. We'll see if the check-in has started. Some more stamps, and then this is our Indian immigration. डाल. ये चेकिंग टाइम तो एक नंगा किया जैसा लग जाता है. पूरा सब निकालने लग जाता है ना ब्रो. Finally everything is done, and this is a garden inside.
फ्लैशबैक्स फॉर दुबई.
Yeah. Dude, it's free. All this is not very interesting. You know what is interesting? That, hey, sorry, not you. That. So this we have in our collection. Also this we have. This we have. All this is already I've said that I have. We have a blue label as well. See.
बाय टू गेट वन फ्री.
हाँ. So that is all red label, black label. हाँ, we have all. हाँ, we have actually all this 1, 2, 3. हे ना आमच्याकडे आयलँड ग्रीन.
हां हे किती नवीन.
हे हा.
हां ते कसं जरा मका ओपन केली नाही.
We also have this in the house. All this is dry gins. We don't drink dry gins. Too much liquor. So we have decided to expand our chain of operations. The Beehive.
ड्रिंक द ओरिजिनल टेस्ट ऑफ
Liquor. So that is this is our special collection.
स्पेशल कलेक्शन. ओनली फॉर स्पेशल पीपल.
Yes.
We don't get.
Packet secured.
Very beautiful. And these have this QR code, so you know which tree it is. Wow. So that is Irish House. Ah, that's some bakery, I don't know. So that is the lounge. If you have any credit card, we do have 2, but then 2 plus 2, so we're letting it be. So we're walking from the past 20-25 minutes and we've still not reached the gate. That is different that we're exploring, but still. So this is the final waiting lobby. So finally, some upgrades for the channel, and this guy's bought. We have bought Holyline
Lark M2.
There's 2 mics and then 1 transmitter.
No,
We got the whole kit, so it's like this beautiful box. And when you remove this has the this is the front, and then you can unhook this. You can open this up.
for iPhone.
So this is also a transmitter.
For iPhone.
So this is the camera. This is the iPhone, and this is C type. So for iPhone as well, but after 14 series.
These are accessories.
That is the accessory. You can put it in your
Neck
neck.
band.
Yeah, neck bands.
And
असे दाखी कसे बसतात.
so there's already a magnet attached to this. What you can do is you can just put it here and then stick it like that, and it is turned on.
So we'll check how it sounds. So this is the sound. Ule zara without
Hello.
Without.
So this is the sound coming from coming from the iPhone. So now we'll listen to the sound coming from the mic, and we'll also try out the ANC mode.
So
Okay.
now in the normal mode.
So this is the normal mode. As you can see, there are kids screaming and all of the other things. This is the normal mode, and as you can see, it is facing towards me. And if I hit the side button, it turns green. So this is ANC mode. There's an announcement going on. Just check it out. And yeah, so bought a lot of other accessories which we'll be using in this trip.
So this is the new setup.
So this is the setup we are going to use for this trip. As you can see, it can also extend. So yeah, videos are going to be great. There are also going to be cinematic shots and vlogging, which will be done by my brothers, Glenn Pinto. Do follow his account.
They are watching from my account. My just video.
And also check out the story coming soon, something at Kempegoda Airport, Bangalore.
I don't think I'll be able to see this story because 2 days later.
Yeah, correct.
We were waiting. I was editing a little, and then I watched what to do. Matlab. There, Dad and Brian went to get coffee.
So we took a coffee and a sandwich to eat.
I won't drink now because if I drink, I won't sleep. So Dad was feeling like having coffee, and Mom is feeling cold, so she got all covered up. देखते हैं अभी 1 घंटा है, मतलब 1 घंटा हो गया हमको आके इधर. तो वी रीच्ड हियर एट 12. अभी 1 बज रहे हैं, तो और 1 घंटा है, फिर बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट होगा, फिर 2:30 निकलेगा फ्लाइट, एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 4.5 घंटे का फ्लाइट है. 2 आवर्स टाइम डिफरेंस ऐड होगा. अराउंड 8:39 पहुँचेंगे हम. हेलो. So this is the scene here. Coffee पड़ता. They got a burger. Kanche?
Chicken tikka sandwich.
Finally they left us. 2:47. It was supposed to depart at 2:40.
But they are trying to give us a seat replacement.
Yes.
Close.
For your safety, please ensure your seatbelt.
So we just got our SIM cards ready. That is why it costs us around 700 rupees for 2 days, which is it's actually a week. But it was 700 rupees for 15 GB unlimited local calls. So that should do. We are 3 days here and then we are moving to another country. Okay, so for time being until our cab comes, we ordered Burger King. So we got this currency exchanged. We only wanted it to, have a little cash in hand because we have forex cards. So we have ordered a cab, and then this is the first step.
Welcome to Malaysia.
So this is level 1. Your normal Grab taxis will pick you up from here. So our room was not ready. The check-in was at 3 o'clock. I requested them to give me early check-in, but then they said we are full house, so it will be at 3 o'clock. We have 1 hour to spend time, and then we'll get a room, so we'll get some sleep. So this should be it for this vlog. So all the next vlog you'll have to tune in. I'll see you guys in the next one.